Hello, my dear friends. The question on the board is an exponential quadratic equation. We're expected to solve this quadratic equation using a suitable approach or a suitable method. But before I delve into all that, I want to make a passionate appeal to you watching this video, to you learning from this content. Please, this is mathematics. I cannot teach by hastening things up, no. I cannot teach by hurrying up to meet up or to cut the video short, no. I have to take my time, explain every bit of it, step by step. So please, bear with me if the video is long or beyond what your patience can carry. Alright? In doing so, do not forget to subscribe, okay? Smash the subscription button, hit the bell notification or bell button for constant notification. Remember to give us thumbs up, alright? And then share to your numerous networks and friends. Thank you. So we begin. The first thing we need to do here is, first of all, we bring out this. We bring out 5 exponent 2x plus 1 and then split it. After bringing it out, we split it, we separate it by applying indicial law or law of indices. So splitting it will give us 5 exponent x parenthesis close raised to the power 2, right? Times 5 raised to the power 1, which is absolutely the same thing, right? Okay, having done this, the next thing we need to do here is to carry this, take this as it is, and then substitute in the original equation without wasting time. So we do that this way: 5 exponent x parenthesis open and close raised to the power 2, right? Times 5 raised to the power 1 minus 26 parenthesis 5 raised to the power x, right? Close plus 5 all equal to 0. You can see we have substituted this expression into the original equation. Look at it here. We defined a variable. This time we are going to define a variable, and that variable should be any of the letters, any of the 26 letters which we are taking as y is equal to 5x, or we can say 5x is equal to y. Then we substitute. What we're going to do here is to substitute. Wherever we see 5x, we substitute with y in the expression given. So our next step is going to address that quickly. So here we have 5x, we replace it with y, okay, squared, times 5, right? And then that is just 1 minus 26. But we have 5x, that is 5 raised to the power x. We replace with y, okay? And then plus 5, all equal to 0, right? That is it. The next one is going to be y squared, right? Times 5 will give us y squared, 5y squared. Here, 26 times this is going to give us minus 26y. Then we have plus 5, all equal to 0. At this point, we have succeeded in generating a quadratic, a pure quadratic expression. And we are going to solve this by applying one of the quadratic formulas. Alright? It can be factorization method, it can be completing the square method, formula method, or even graphical method. So let's apply formula method. So the formula method we are going to apply is y is equal to minus b plus upon minus root b b squared, right, minus 4ac all through over 2a. So that is the formula method. Now, from this quadratic expression, we're going to bring out our values, coefficients. The coefficients of this, coefficients of the first term, which is y squared, coefficients of the second term, which is y, and the constant term, which is also 5c. So we have the first letter, the coefficient is 5. A is the first letter, the coefficient here is 5. That's the first term. The second term, we use b, the coefficient is minus 26. Minus 26, okay? That's the second term. Then the third term is just a constant c. C is equal to 5. Since we have identified this, the next thing we now substitute these values into the original equation, and we go y is equal to minus b is minus 26, so we put minus 26, all right, plus upon minus roots, then b squared is minus 26 squared minus 4, a is 5, c is also 5, all over 2 times 5. So we have succeeded in substituting the values of a, b, and c into the formula, and now look at what we have. Very simple. We simplify further, we have y is equal to, this will turn this into positive, becomes 26, plus upon minus, right? And then this becomes 7, 6, 7, 2 minus 100. Yes, because 4 times 5 is 20, 20 times 5 we give 100. All over 10, all over 10, yes. And by the time we simplify for the gain, we have y is equal to 26 plus upon minus. Here we have, what do we have here? 5, 7, 2, all over 10. Good. That is it. You can see we have arrived at a meaningful